is the Silver Star program important to Tallahassee?
Without the senior center here, there'll be a lot of seniors that sitting home, idle, wasting away. The senior center here gives an opportunity for friendships, activities, and the whole gamut of things they can do. And if you recognize people in Tallahassee, that fuel them to do a little bit more. That like, I see what you're doing, I appreciate what you're doing, and keep doing what you're doing.
Where did you grow up in Tallahassee?
I grew up in Tallahassee on the north side near Lake Jackson. I spent a short time in the military, but all in all, I've been in Tallahassee my whole life.
What are your favorite things to paint?
I love painting people. I think painting people is a challenge, and I like to challenge myself. If you can pull the personality of a person and put it on canvas, you're way ahead of the game. People are going to criticize a portrait one way or the other. And that's why I like that challenge of being able to satisfy the customer without too much criticism.
Why do you think it's important to preserve African American history in Florida?
Because without a history, we don't have a future. You got to know the history in order to determine what future you want to bring. So people like me preserve that history through artwork and paintings and other media outlets. But preserving your history is very important because of the future. You don't want to make a mistake going forward that you made in the past.
Where can I see your art in town?
I've been to Lemoyne, I've been to Gaston Arts, I've been to FAMU, all over.
What inspired you to share your skills as an artist at the Senior Center?
I like sharing my skills no matter where it is, but I had the opportunity here at the Senior Center to build relationships, share my talent, and build relationships. I could sit home in my studio and just paint. Nobody sees it but me. But here at the Senior Center, I develop friendships and, of course, share information that otherwise wouldn't have.
When you are not painting, what else do you enjoy doing?
I love cooking. Baked snapper.
Delicious! How does it feel to be honored as a Silver Star?
I'm very honored. Every opportunity that I feel that people recognize my work and my ability to do what I do, that recognition gives you fuel to keep going. I'm very thankful that people think enough of me to honor the work I do in Tallahassee and the work here at Senior Center.